Meta has been dropping absolutely incredible open source and open weights models lately. The entire family of SAM 3 models is incredible, and their latest drop is SAM Audio. It allows you to isolate sounds from video and audio files easily, just with a simple prompt, and it does so incredibly well. In fact, let me just show it to you. So here's their Segment Anything playground right here. Click Isolate Sounds. Again, this is completely free in their playground and you can just download it. By the way, I'm partnering with Meta on this video so I can show you how to use it and show you how cool it is because it really is awesome. And so the first thing we're going to upload is a video from the Tomb Raider video game. All right, so here's the video. Let me just show it to you quickly, unedited. All right, so there's a quick clip from it and all we're gonna type is woman and we're gonna isolate the sound. Watch how cool this is. So very quickly, we get 3 different tracks. We have the original sound, we have the isolated sound, the thing we asked for, and then the without isolated sound, which is the inverse, everything but the thing we asked for. So we're going to disable without isolated sound, and now we're just gonna play it with woman as the prompt. Okay, freaky sounding, but yes, that is just her. Now we can turn that off, turn on without isolated sound, play it again, and now we shouldn't hear her at all. Really, really impressive. Now, we have a bunch of other options to play with, things we can add to the audio to make it sound different ways, but I'm gonna wait. Let me show you one more demo, which really is mind-blowing for somebody who creates video and audio for a living, because this stuff is not easy. So here's a video of a woman talking on a phone in a crowded, noisy restaurant. Lots of things happening behind her. Let me play the video first, unedited.
Hey, I'm in the cafe right now. Just wanted to call you because I finished the project and I'm gonna send it to you tonight. Anyways, I'm just calling you because I wanted to make sure that you have a safe...
Okay, let's pause it there. I'm just gonna type voice and click isolate sound. And very quickly, we should get those 3 tracks again with her voice absolutely isolated. Again, this stuff is not easy to do, and it is a free model that you can download and modify to your liking. All right, so here we go. Let's play just her voice.
Hey, I'm in the cafe right now. Just wanted to call you because I finished the project and I'm gonna send it to you tonight. Anyways, I'm just calling you because I wanted to make sure that you have a...
So impressive. Now let's do everything but her voice. So we're gonna click off her voice, enable everything else. And we could do other things too. So let's click start over. Now I heard some footsteps. Let's see if we can isolate the footsteps from this video. So we type footsteps, isolate sound. Unreal. Now let's try to get the utensils, just the utensils that I hear clanking around in the background to be isolated. Same thing, we type utensils. There we go. Amazing. All right, so I'm gonna switch back to her voice now, and we're gonna play around with her voice with some of these sound effects that we can apply. Let's apply studio sound, which gives it a little reverb. It's a warm sound. Listen to this.
I'm in the cafe right now. Just wanted to call you because I finished the project and I'm gonna send it to you tonight. Anyways, I'm just calling you because...
And of course you can tune it up and down like so. And it has a ton of different fun effects, different effects that you can apply to it. Classic 80s robot voice, etc. All right, the last one is a song and I wanna isolate the different instruments. Watch how easy this is. All right, here's the original. Okay, now let's isolate the guitar only. Here we go. Okay, now everything but the guitar, which is really just a little drum. And now let's put it back to the original, and we're gonna put it in a concert hall. How about underwater? So there's just a whole bunch of cool things you could do with it. Then you click download. You can download each of the tracks individually and of course do with it what you want. So this is incredibly useful for audio cleanup, for mixing. If you're creating YouTube videos like me and you hear some noise in the background, you can easily remove it. And then of course, imagine this model but put on a little device like a hearing aid. And then all of a sudden you can isolate different sounds and you kind of have super hearing all of a sudden. It's all really cool. Thanks again to Meta. Check it out. Links down below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.